Why don't you just let go and quiet down your ego? Don't complain about finance. I know your daddy wasn't a real man. Go ahead and live your dreams. To me, you're stronger than a whole team.
Hello, my gingerbread and gentlemen. Welcome back to another episode of J Vlogs. In this video, first and foremost, I'm using my regular camera, which is still bright, which is still good because it's, sun is out, so the sun is coming in through the window. I was going to use the GoPro, however, the field of view is too wide, so you'll be seeing all of my bedroom over there. I don't want all of that because my blanket isn't folded or anything. It's a mess. Anyway, now, thanks to all the new subscribers. I'm at 1,250 subscribers. I want to say I really appreciate each and everybody that tune into the channel, that leave comments and stuff like that. Now, I'll say this. I don't make any and every video. I keep my channel positive. I've said that before. A lady commented, say I should tell people about the murders that are taking place in Jamaica. My response to that is murders is a worldwide event. It's not just localized. It's not just a local Jamaican thing. Murders take place everywhere around the world. Mass shooting takes place in the US probably on a daily basis, if I'm not mistaken. No, I choose to make video about positive things because the negative is too much. The negative is overwhelming. Yes, I understand that people need to be informed of what is taking place in Jamaica, but I cannot cover every single thing. I can only do topics that I find interesting, do topics that I have a passion about, do topics that I'm going to be honest about, and just give you the direct information about that's going to help you. No, I'm not a journalist. I'm not going to go through news article finding out who murder who. All of that stuff are scaring people, are telling people, oh, murder took place there, don't go there. I cannot do that. That is just too much. So I keep it positive. Murder is taking place everywhere in the world, even in your neighborhood. Murder is taking place. Jamaica is not immune to murders and crime and violence. Crime and violence takes place all over the world, and I just want to get that out the way, and I'm just going to make that as a separate video before I even go into my regular video. So just to let you guys know, I won't be making videos about any and everything. I won't be covering any and everything. I'm just going to post the things that I like to post and keep informing people. So if you want to hear about murders on a daily basis, watch the Jamaica News one. Follow vloggers that cover news and deaths and stuff like that. That's too much sadness. Like, people see that on a daily basis already. It's not my job now to magnify the event, to remind them continuously that, hey, murder, 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 murder. It's death. It's sadness. I don't fill myself and my life with sadness. I'm really sorry if you're looking forward to that, or you want me to give you an update on the murder rate, or sorry. I'm just dead honest. Not me. Not the one. Not the person. Yeah. So not me. So sorry about that, madam. I forgot your name. You know yourself. So yeah, if you like the rest of the content that I make on the channel, then that's good. I appreciate you for commenting. I appreciate you for, liking the video, watching the video, and supporting me. Thank you very much, and I read the next comment. So this is actually one video. I'll call it Things I Won't Talk About Murder. So thanks for watching J Vlogs. I hope you guys like this little video thing that I did a while ago. Now I'm going to jump into the actual video that I want to talk about, the informative, nice video I want to talk about. So I'll be right back. So you're getting two videos today. Two.